Vacuum cleaner. These things suck. At least they're supposed to. This one didn't, and it was given to me because it ran, but it didn't have any vacuum. I found out why. I'm going to kind of point this out if you're not real experienced with vacuum cleaners and so on. You've got the canister here that it's got the little trap door on it here, and you can empty the things out. And that's where a lot of people just stop. What they don't realize is up in the top, it's this part here that goes down in here, there is two more filters. A little foam filter like this, which goes in here, and then this paper filter, which then screws back down on that, like so. And these were completely packed full. I mean, you couldn't have got anything out of this. I took it apart and took it over and blew it off with the air hose, and I got a little bit more cleanup to do on this, but we're going to try this out again now that I've got this cleaned out. This part here was empty. This was plugged up. So we'll reassemble things here. I haven't even looked at the bottom. I guess I should probably do that, see what we got. Yeah, it's not all plugged up with any nasties. This is a Shark EuroPro X. Very dirty. So let's see what we got here. Still does not appear to have a lot of vacuum. It's got a detachable handle here. See how much vacuum we get from this. Not much there. We got something else plugged up here somewhere. Got a lot of attachments here. There's a release on the hose if I can get it to release. Figure out how to do that here. I think I found the problem here. When this part is pushed down into here, that gives this unit here vacuum. I pulled off the wand here, and I do believe we are plugged up big time. I mean big time plugged up here. If you can see all this stuff I'm knocking out of there. And it's way down into the hose. I've got to figure out a way to get that hose off of there and get this thing cleaned out. That's the only problem with this, is it's just plugged up. Yeah, that hose is definitely plugged up. Big wads of stuff in there. Paper. I can hear the stuff rattling in there. Let's see what we got now. Huge difference. Now we got vacuum. Make sure this is not plugged up. This back on there. So that was the story. Vacuum cleaner Shark got thrown away because it wouldn't suck anymore. And the problem was because it was plugged up. Get this put back together. Rid of all this trash. I think we're going to be good. Get her cleaned up. The reason I picked this up was I want to have something to use on our pontoon boat. I got cords hanging down here. We get a lot of sand gets tracked up on the carpet of the pontoon boat, and I needed something to pick it up. Tried pressure washing it off, all it does is move sand around. So hopefully Carpet will be dry this weekend. I can take this old vacuum out there and not worry about ruining something good. But there's a little hint there. If you have a vacuum cleaner that's not sucking anymore but it's running, check the filters, check your hoses, check the handle, make sure you don't have anything in there that's just clogging it up. It could be something just that simple. So if you get anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.